I didn't want to buy this house because of the kitchen.
Ooh.
I was so grossed out by the kitchen that I was like, no. And our realtors talked us into buying this house.
Loving with the building with the Phillips. With the Phillips.
Hey guys, thank you guys so much for joining us. Another episode of Building with the Phillips. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button so whenever we drop new content, you can be the first to receive it. Today we're here with Jamie in our kitchen. This is a project that we finished, I would say recently. We can say recently. So today we just want to ask her, how did she meet us and how she feel about our kitchen? So Jamie, the first question I'm going to ask you today is, how did you meet us?
Initially, you guys did our bathroom, and I went online and got a bunch of recommendations, and I think we had 4 contractors come out and got bids from all of them. You guys were about middle of the road, but I thought you were the coolest, so you got the job.
We are the coolest. And then the other question is, how do you like your kitchen so far, and what was the process like for us working for you?
It was amazing, and obviously I love my kitchen. It's just everything and more than I thought it could be. It's exactly what I envisioned. Everything is completely purposeful, and it's wonderful. The process was so simple with you guys. I had to just tell you what a basic idea of what I was thinking, and it's so different than what this is now. And walls were coming down, and we got to lay out where we wanted things, and you made it happen, and it couldn't be any better.
Okay, Jamie, go ahead and just show the camera your kitchen and let them know your favorite things in your kitchen.
All right. Well, as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite things that Phill installed is my push-button garbage disposal, which is super fabulous. And when I first met Phill, I told him how badly I wanted a pot filler, and he said, "Miss Jamie, that is not in your future." And then he surprised me, and I got my own pot filler. It's beautiful, and I use it all the time. I also want to talk about the countertops. Phill gave me a budget, I think, of 99 cents, and when I went to look for it, this is what I fell in love with. It was not 99 cents. So the budget increased a little bit, but totally worth it, right?
Yep.
I also have this fabulous pantry with pull-out drawers that needs a little organizing. And another fabulous thing that he put in for me is for my dishes. They're all neatly organized in my drawer now. Soft close drawers too. That's about it.
And also something that I didn't mention before, Jamie's kitchen is an award-winning kitchen. So let me give you the full story. I'm a member of NARI, National Association of Remodeler Industry, and every year they have the CAUDI Award, and what that is Contractor of the Year Award, where you submit projects and you have judges from all over the United States comment and judge a new project and stuff like that. And that's how we get submitted. That's how we won something. And here is the award for
It's partly
her
my award
kitchen.
too, because this was my vision. You just made it happen.
Exactly. And that's awesome, guys. It's great when you have a wonderful story like this one. I absolutely love when we have a satisfied client. We will give you like a little snippet of a before and after picture so you can actually see what the kitchen looks like and what it looks like then and what it looks like now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button so when we drop new content, you can be the first one to get it.
Loving with the building with the Phillips.